back to our 1-minute English. So for today's lesson, we are going to learn about preposition of time. So we have at, on, and in. So first, we have at. So at used for exact times and specific moments. Take note, exact time. For example, at 5, at night, at noon, at lunchtime, or at midnight. Okay, for example, the class starts at 8. So, we have here an exact time at 8. Next is the show will begin at midnight. So, we have here at midnight. Next is on. So, on used for days and dates. Like on Monday, on Tuesday, and until Sunday. Then we have on July 10th. So, that's an exact date. On Christmas Day. For example, he will visit on Friday. Another is the exam is on April 15. So next we have in. So in used for months, years, seasons, and long periods. So for example, in March, in January. Okay. Next is for the year in 2025, in 2021. Then we have in summer, that's for the season. In the morning, afternoon, and evening, that's for a long period of time. So example, my birthday is in November. He graduated in 2020. And then the sun rises early in the morning. So that's all for today's lesson. I hope you learned something. See you around next time. Goodbye.